How to get download folder back on dock. So first thing, you want to go to your Finder at the bottom left of your screen right here. And then if you don't find downloads on your favorites right here on your Finder, what you want to do is you want to go to your top left of the screen and then click on Finder, the name, and then choose settings below about Finder, and then you want to go on sidebar right here, and on downloads you want to check it, exit, and there you go, you can see the downloads. And then you want to tap on download and you want to do a right click on download and then choose add to dock, and there you go. And you can also customize the download right here by right click on it and then on choose the view content as a fan, and you can also choose the sort by date edit. There you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.